For homeowners in Rockford, upgrading to vinyl windows is a smart investment that improves energy efficiency, durability, and overall comfort. However, the performance of these windows depends not only on the quality of the materials but also on how they are installed. Proper installation is critical to ensuring that your vinyl windows deliver the maximum benefits and maintain their performance for years to come. One of the most immediate advantages of vinyl windows is their energy efficiency. High-quality vinyl frames and double or triple pane glass reduce heat transfer, helping your home stay warm in winter and cool in summer. However, even the best materials cannot perform optimally if the window is not installed correctly. Gaps, misalignment, or improper sealing can allow air and moisture to infiltrate the home, diminishing insulation and increasing heating and cooling costs. Professional installation ensures that each window is fitted perfectly, creating a tight seal that maximizes energy efficiency in Rockford's variable climate. Proper installation also contributes to enhanced indoor comfort. Windows that are level and properly secured prevent drafts, cold spots, and uneven temperatures throughout your home. In Rockford, where winters can be harsh and summers are often hot, maintaining consistent indoor temperatures is key to comfort. When vinyl windows are installed correctly, they provide reliable insulation and protect against outside elements, allowing you to enjoy a more stable and pleasant living environment year-round. Moisture control is another important factor. Improper installation can lead to leaks, condensation, and water damage, which may affect walls, floors, and even the structural integrity of your home. Correctly installed vinyl windows include proper flashing, caulking, and sealing techniques that prevent water from entering the home. This not only protects your property but also helps maintain the longevity and appearance of your windows. Durability is closely linked to installation quality. Vinyl windows are inherently resistant to warping, fading, and corrosion, but improper fitting can place unnecessary stress on frames and sashes. Over time, this can cause operational issues, such as difficulty opening and closing the windows or misalignment of the locks and handles. Professional installation ensures that each window operates smoothly and remains durable over its lifespan. Aesthetics are another benefit of proper installation. Vinyl windows look best when they sit flush and level with your home's interior and exterior surfaces. Gaps, uneven frames, or crooked placement can detract from the appearance of your home, even if the windows themselves are high quality. Correct installation guarantees a clean, finished look that enhances your home's curb appeal and interior design. Ease of maintenance is also improved with professional installation. Windows that are correctly aligned and sealed are easier to clean and less prone to problems like condensation or buildup in tracks. This makes everyday upkeep simpler, allowing homeowners to enjoy the benefits of their vinyl windows without added hassle. Safety and security are additional considerations. Properly installed windows are less susceptible to forced entry because the frames are securely anchored and locking mechanisms align correctly. This provides peace of mind for homeowners concerned about safety while maximizing the functional benefits of the windows. Professional installation also ensures that warranty conditions are met. Many vinyl window manufacturers require certified installation to honor warranties. By hiring skilled installers, Rockford homeowners protect their investment and ensure they can take full advantage of manufacturer guarantees if issues arise. In addition to these practical benefits, properly installed vinyl windows can increase property value. Energy efficient, well-fitted windows improve both functionality and aesthetics, making your home more attractive to buyers. They signal that the home has been well maintained and upgraded thoughtfully, which can lead to a higher resale value. In conclusion, proper installation is key to maximizing the performance of vinyl windows in Rockford homes. From energy efficiency and comfort to durability, aesthetics, and security, every aspect of a window's performance relies on correct fitting, sealing, and alignment. Investing in professional installation ensures that your vinyl windows deliver long-lasting benefits, improve your home's efficiency, and enhance your everyday living experience. Would you like me to also create a follow-up article detailing common installation mistakes to avoid with vinyl windows in Rockford? It pairs well with this piece for homeowners seeking guidance.